no gold is not enough.
So you guys see my wife is gathered and load up our palm fruit ourselves because our workers is not able to work for today. I think it's been 2 days already, so the leg is still injured by the palm fruit itself, and so that's why we are going to fill up our own today. Where? Oh my god, that thing is huge.
So big.
Yes, that's a huge cockroach. Oh my god.
Hitam dia.
Yep. There's something on your forehead.
Ya. Musaw dito.
Alright. Musunan. We're on top of the hill, so I think you can show them the dawn because I will load this one. Can show them here. The view from here is beautiful, and I will get this one. Can I go on?
Turun na.
Huh? Shit, can that go?
Aku lokal ngalan.
Oh shit. Is it? Oh, sorry guys, I swear. I just love this car sound. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh my god, that eye is so big. Okay, good luck, Sam.
Okay. Tinggi-tinggi gunung pedaan, lebih tinggi cinta gue sama lo. Sejuk atas sini guys. Sekarang pukul 5. Karena sini tinggi. Atas sini tinggi. Aduh. Sukanya. View sini pun cantik. Sejuk kayang.
Yeah, I know.
Sejuk sini guys.
Okay, I'm gonna show them the view from up here.
Oke guys, saya atas sini tadi, atas gunung nih. Ya, tinggi lagi atas sana lah. Tuh view mountain sana. Gunung-gunung mana guys? Kan kat sini luas sini. Wah, saya ada merasakan kesejukan yang membuat aku lena. Wow.
You look up there at the flat area. Do you think we can camp here? Like,
Sini kita boleh camping sini yang
yeah.
kena rata. Kita buat camp, tidur 1 hari 2 lah.
Alright, let's go.
Oke guys, saya pergi loading buah. Hari ini kita loading sendiri buah guys. Karena pekerja kita sakit. Kita harus turun tangan juga. Ambil buah sendiri. Kesian juga pekerja kita sakit. Kan? Oke. Ikuti kami ya. Suami lagi bersih. Apa hal tuh?
What up, beautiful people? It's a good day today. Let's go. Let's go do our job.
Jangan lagi gila. Belum the body.
Hi, Dutton.
Dikeram tuh guys.
I'm so furious. This one I slow because my perut is so big.
Kutip, ingat tidak kutip.
Now that's how you do it done.
Oke guys, kita ambil buah lagi. Wah, di sini ada. Kita naik dulu ya guys. Nanti kita ambil nih. Naik dulu, baru kita turun ambilnya.
No, over here.
Uh,
Let's sit down there first.
Nah, kita turun sini karena yang pergi sikap jangan dikum.
Yeah, we've been here.
Oke guys, ternyata pekerja ambil buah yang ke sana saja guys. Kita ambil yang 2 tumpuk tu saja tadi. Kita ke stand dulu. Guys, tahu ke pokok apa nih? Ini sebanyak dalam kebun kita nih. Ini satu sini juga. Oke guys. Kita tengok Somi beraksi. Ketip biji lagi. Kalau buah yang masak betul gugur kat dahan-dahan pokok-pokok itu guys, sayang betul. Kita pergi ambil dah lah. Karena biji ni berapa satu guni sejak sudah berapa kilo dia guys.
Yep, true, that's true. Oh my God, you beautiful people. Don't forget to subscribe us, okay? Like and share. And hit that little bell icon on the side so that you get notified by our newest video that we upload. Let's go.
Let's go guys.
One more day. One more day.
Okay guys. Ada satu tumpuk di bawah sana juga. Tengok kawan kita great jalannya. Dia tidak boleh kasih great karena ada satu pokok lagi di sana. Sini nih meruntuh nih. Kecil saja jalan sini guys. Butuh. Oke. Wow, beautiful Joanne. Dia main mata guys. Joanne main mata guys. Terang betul ini mata Joanne ni. Woo! Wow! Wait, beautiful girl. This is beautiful girl. Wow! Sun good. Beautiful girl sing now. Yes. Itu dia. Bunyi Juan nyanyi tadi guys.
Joanne look handsome, right?
Beautiful.
She's look amazing, right?
Yeah, amazing Juan.
Sportivo 3RD into color BNT. And
5 years already kan?
I think 6 years.
Yes, 6 years. Kereta ni sudah 6 tahun guys.
And the engine is very taken care of.
Yeah.
And I'm only using the highly synthetic oil for the M oil.
Yeah.
And only good diesel that I'm using, Euro 5. I don't use the typical diesel. I'm using the good one. Like me, I eat only good food.
Tete mata Juan na yan.
Tengok kan? Beautiful face.
Beautiful face. Enam tahun dengan suami sudah.
Yes. This is the final year. The final year. This is the final year. Yeah. 2021 finish. No pay anymore.
Still good.
Yes, and still look good. And engine is very well maintained.
Tidak pernah sakit Juan ya.
Tidak pernah. Kecuali spring dia patah sajalah. Itu pun sudah 5 tahun. Yeah. Been using for walk 5 years already, and then snap, pow. The spring
Karena hari tu
slightly wet, huh?
ya
Slightly very wet.
kita bawa 2 tan lebih sikit guys karena alang-alang buas tinggal. Itulah kaki dia terselio hari tu.
Yep.
First time guys.
First
5
time.
years.
First time in 5 years. Normally people just 6 months in between the job they do lah. Heavy duty, so they sometime in the company they use the car maybe 3 months, 2 months, snap, then patah. Then they have to change the spring again.
Suami bawa kereta hati-hati guys. Itulah kami dua slow tu.
Yes, my name is very famous in the Padaan area. They call me Mr. Snell.
Mr. Snell,
Yes,
yes.
because I'm very slow. Mr. Snell.
Bagus juga slow guys.
Slow is good, guys.
Hati-hati
Be
kita.
safe.
Yeah,
Also,
be safe.
fuel efficient. If you drive fast, consume more fuel.
Yeah.
If you drive slow, fuel efficient. Your safety first. Your safety is guaranteed, and your car lasts longer.
Yeah. Kalau ada kerja lagi lah baru kita cepat lagi jalan raya kan yang.
True.
Kalau satu trip sejak kami dua hantar satu hari kan slow sajalah karena relax saja karena tidak kerja mau buat.
And whoever
Itu pun tidak maksud kami dua tidak hantar lagi buah. Tuh kalau dalam satu hari tu 3-4 trip kita hantar tu baru kami dua laju sikit. Tidaklah sampai 100 jam tu kan ya.
Cam cannot in the cam road you cannot do that. Only the fastest is only 60 to 70.
Yes.
The safest is 40 km per hour and 40 to 50 depending on the weight and the road and road condition of course.
Yeah.
And whoever buy used car from Mr. Justin itself, that guy is
Mr.
very
Snell.
lucky man.
Oh,
I take care of the car so much.
you want to sell it?
No lah, just saying. Just saying. No, I'm not saying this. I love this car.
I love this
I
guy
think this
too.
model is more. This model is more durable than the new Revo. I like Revo. This,
Yeah.
This model.
Kebanyakan orang cakap macam tu lah
Yeah,
guys.
this model. Intercooler one lah. Intercooler. The one that got intercooler turbo. The one that got from the hood got the nose like this. intercooler air intake.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to close it the video today. You think? No.
I don't know
We don't have anything to do left. This is all. So guys, this is all the palm fruit that we got today. So since our friend, our workers not able to work because the feet condition injured his leg. I think that this is all what we get, and we are going home now. So I'm gonna wrap this video today. Thank you guys for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel, and also don't forget to turn on that little bell icon on the side so you get notified by newest video that we upload. Okay, until then, see you guys again. Much love from us. Take care. Peace out.
Okay guys, ini papaya kami dua sami tabur hari itu hidup sudah.
Not. I think this not near 1 month, huh?
No,
Just I think 1 week or 2
2 week
2 weeks, huh?
2 minggu 2 minggu sejak guys tumbuh dia.
And this one is very fast, huh, bro?
Ini saya tabur sejak hari itu semasa kami dua suami
I think
selas
less than 10 days, huh?
ya berapa ni
7 days.
ini biji dia yang kena tu sejak yang tumbuh guys. Beberapa hari saja tumbuh. Ini ulam yang mak bagi tu mati oh. Kenapa ya? Slash tu saya buang-buang sini juga guys. Baru itu cakuman di sini tumbuh bagus. Tapi saya tengok-tengok ni macam layu semua ni. Mari kita tengok biji pula pokok. Aduh. Oh my god.
Only the one survive.
Biji lagi pokok sawit. Pokok sawit. Apalah saya ni tersasar hari-hari. Itu cili. Mak bagi itu matilah guys, mati. Habislah. Kenapa macam ni?
And Mr. Simba is
Tengok.
coming. See Mr. Simba coming.
Mati. Aduh, mati.
Hi.
Ini pumuk mati. Cili putih saya ni. Aduh. Orang kata slash ni bagus untuk tumbuhan guys. Kenapa dengan saya mati ni? Oh Simba anakku. Kenapa cili mami Didi macam ini? Kau beritahulah mami.
Don't worry, mommy.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello baby. Okay lah.
He's worried also.
Ya, karena dia dengar suara saya risau-risau nih. Dia datang terus nih guys. Tengok nih, botak. Aduh, habislah. Sip tidak simpan yang satu ni selas guys. Kalau tidak habislah ni. Tengok, matilah semua nih.
Ano yung tugjat anak? Okay.
Wah,
Done.
all done.
All done. Easy. Bawa sikit.
Wah, itu sejak.
Just like that. here.
Cepat masak kayang oh.
Yeah. Halo Pak, halo Pak.
Cepat lagi lagu.
I'm sorry. Oh, it's recording. Come, let me do it. Enteng. Enteng.
Senang saja guys. Karena ini kereta yang bawa nih. Kita kasih tolak saja. Oke guys.
Careful. Actually, still not finished. Vlog extra. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make mosquito chaser. It's not repellent, but a mosquito chaser, right? By using the palm fruit, the rotten palm fruit, plus the fresh one. I teach you guys how. So I'm gonna need, firstly, you're going to use the rotten kind of palm fruit, and you start it because the dried one is easier to burn. It's really easy to burn. So you're gonna make like this. You just put it here in the center, and then you kind of mix it around with the others, like the fresh one, because the fresh one, it won't start easily, and from there you make a lot of smoke, and at the same time, because we want the smoke to be thickened, and it will make a cloudy smoke. So it's a good way for mosquito chaser. See, and that is a fail, I think. Does it? Or still no? It's not a fail. It is.
Dia masih itu ya.
Masih hidup dia.
Ya, tidak dia mati.
Yep. You kind of put it at the center like that, and then just put the fresh one in the middle, and then you make yourself a mosquito chaser, just like that.
Tak payah pergi atas dia, biar ada tepi-tepi. Okay.
No, you must put it up here, so that, yes, just like that. There you go, our mosquito chaser, making a cloud smoke. Hi.
Hai.
Okay, this time you close this video.
Oke guys. Karena mengikuti kami tadi guys, buat kerja. Jangan lupa ya, subscribe, like, share. Jangan lupa tekan itu lonceng itu guys. Oke, peace you.
Much love from us. Peace. See you guys again.